Also at 5, under a new law that just took effect today, Ohio no longer considers pit bulls to be vicious animals, and the move, as you might imagine, is sparking some controversy. Jordan Burgess live with what the changes will mean. Jordan?
The law may no longer consider pit bulls vicious, but that doesn't mean some people still don't. We've heard from many of you upset by the new law, so I hit the streets to find a pit bull owner to see if these dogs deserve their new leash on life. The sign on the fence says beware of dog, but talk to the owner and she'll tell you the only ones who should be on the lookout have 4 legs and fur.
She doesn't like cats, but I don't think any dog likes cats. Hi!
Princess may not have a problem with people, but some people may have a problem with her and her fellow pit bulls.
It's like stereotyping them. It's just like sometimes people just walk up to her and see, oh, she's a pit bull. She's gonna bite me. She's a big baby.
Under Ohio's old law, pit bulls like Princess were considered vicious, no matter how playful they might be.
You're not in the Army. We're not doing crawls.
The vicious designation meant higher insurance rates for owners. Now the law will focus on dogs who are continual problems, whether they're pit bulls or some other breed.
Sometimes it ain't even the dog, it's the owner.
Katie says there are some dogs you should watch out for, but pit bulls aren't the only ones that can be dangerous, and her Princess certainly isn't among those.
And they're just like any other dog. They just want loved and cared about.
Now we're told the change will mean some shelters will now be able to take in pit bulls, whereas they couldn't before because of the high liability insurance rates. That means fewer pit bulls put down because they had nowhere to go. Reporting live, Jordan Burgess, 2 News.